Do acrylic and gel soak-offs feel like they take forever? Then this is the video for you. So, what we're going to do is you're going to start by filing that acrylic or gel as thin as possible. I'm using a 5-in-1 bit here from Hayley Winder, and because it's got varying different grits up and down the actual e-file bit, it means that you can get in around the cuticle and you can get a little bit closer and you can get that gel or acrylic just that little bit thinner, and spending that little bit of extra time here to get that all off will make your soak off so much quicker. It can take 10-15 minutes off. Also, heat helps. So if I've got a soak-off bowl, I'll put a bowl of warm water, not boiling, warm water, underneath it just to kind of warm up the acetone. Those steam removers are really good, and you'll see here it's just popping off. If you're using foils, wrap the foils, and you can wrap the hands in towels just to keep the heat in. Once I've done that, I also like to go, and this is another bit from Hayley Winder. Her e-file bits are absolutely fantastic. I will tag her in the video. But basically, this I'm using all over the nail file. It's a relatively low grit. It's not causing any harm. You could use this on skin if you wanted to. And it's just getting any remaining acrylic or gel off the actual nail plate. But also, I'm prepping the cuticles while I'm going. So it's really, really good bit, this. I like it a lot. I like the length of it as well because I'm covering more of the nail plate at once. Then using a mini sanding band. These ones are from Katie Barnes, and it's a really, really low grit. It's like a 240, I think. I'm just lightly tickling over the surface there to take any shine off and etch the nail plate. Now, the reason I etch is obviously it means that my product will adhere better. If it was just a removal I was doing, I would just buff them smooth and then put loads of oils on to rehydrate. As for this set, I'm doing a fresh set after this, so I will go in with my cleanser and primer, etc. I hope that helped, but if you've got any questions, let me know in the comments.